In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set the time on a BMW X1 E84. First, turn the ignition on. Now use the buttons on the turn signal stalk, the one with the up and down controls. Scroll through the menu until you see the clock icon. Once the clock icon is displayed, press the BC button on the end of the stalk to enter the settings. Use the up and down buttons to set the hours. When the correct hour is selected, press BC to confirm. Next, set the minutes using the same up and down buttons. Press BC again to confirm. Press BC one more time to exit the menu. And that's it, the time is now set. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for more BMW tips and quick fixes.